In this video, I'll be teaching you how to build your own drift car with a low budget. The Civic is an all-wheel drive and this Lada is a rear-wheel drive. After this video, you will know how to build any rear or all-wheel drive car. A WD is for beginners and RWD is for more experienced drifters. First, I will show how to build a cheap RWD setup. This car is super cheap, only $10,000. Let's make this better looking. What color would be the best? Red? Red looks good. Let's put some rims. Okay, now this looks decent. This car's original engine is way too underpowered for drifting. What would be the best swap? B13 can be good. Okay, engine swap will take like 10 minutes. I'll go eat some chicken and pasta. Okay, now I'm back and the engine is installed. Now we need to tune it. Just buy everything that I buy. If you are building another car, you will know what parts to buy from the color codes. Golden parts are often the best. Then we need to choose gearbox. A/T means it's automatic and MT means manual. You can use whatever you want, but I'll put auto because this tutorial is mostly for beginners. LSD is really important in drift tuning. For RWD, use one way. Lock percentage to all the way 100. If you feel I'm going too fast, just wait. I will show all the settings in the end. For suspension, you should do something like this. Lower the tire pressure like this. Front wheels should have more. Let's try this. Bro, this is trash. But luckily, I know how to fix this. Let's make the wheels wider and smaller. Also, let's fix the gearbox. Now it's much better. You will get the RX-7 by using this. A WD is easier though, you should weight that too. This is only good for tilt, by the way. Let me show the controls I'm using. Just copy my settings. I got 2 million with this car. Remember that high multiplier matters only in the end. Make sure to finish with high multiplier. But now all-wheel drive is easier to drift, but also 100 times easier to make. This is the cheapest AWD car. First thing you want to do is to put one-way LSD to both sides. I already put an all-wheel drive gearbox in it. Put torque split to 50-50. Then all you need to do is to put lock percent to 100 in both sides. Then let's max this engine real quick. Okay, we are almost ready. AWD is super easy to build. On suspension, you don't have to touch anything except these three I show. Then you need to put off-road tires, and it is completed. I'll make this look a little more cleaner, and then I will teach how to drift one of these. Remember that this AWD tune works with every car in the game that has AWD gearbox. To drift all-wheel drive car, you can use any controls. Arrows are good for this. This is much easier to handle than RWD. You will get the RX-7 easily with this one. Just remember to finish with high multiplier and you will get good score. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. I don't need these cars, so I will give them to you guys.